What is up, ladies and gentlemen, Prototype here, and welcome back to another Minecraft Pocket Edition tutorial. So in today's tutorial, I'll be teaching you on how to make a working doorbell. Okay, so you'll only be needing two items for this build. That is the command block and the button. Okay, so if you don't know how to get a command block, it's very simple. Just go to the chat, then type /give app command _block. That's it. Okay, so now you'll have your command block. So let's get it on with the tutorial. So first of all, look at where the button is placed. Then just go behind it, so it should be placed right here. So place the command block there, open the command block, type in the command play sound random level up, then add @p. Then that's basically the command. How simple. You don't even need the note block. Then put the redstone to needs redstone, so it activates when we press the button. Okay, now let's test it. I hope this works. Then oh god. Okay, as you can see, it freaking worked. Now we have a working doorbell. Just press that. It's actually not a ding dong, it's actually a ding ding sound. But at least it's adorable. Before I end the video, I just want to ask if this video can reach at least 2 likes so that I can get motivated and create more videos. So yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you all in the next video.